Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. If you're looking to make your LinkedIn experience a bit easier on the eyes, especially during those late night sessions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is where many of your settings can be found. After tapping on the Me icon, you will see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. This section contains several options that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience. Here, you'll find settings related to notifications, privacy, and display options. Now, let's focus on enabling dark mode. Under the Display section, you will see an option labeled Dark Mode. Click on this option to proceed. Once you click on Dark Mode, you'll be presented with a few choices. You can select Dark Mode directly for a sleek new look that's easier on your eyes. Alternatively, if you prefer LinkedIn to follow your device's settings, you can choose Device Settings. This option allows LinkedIn to automatically switch between light and dark modes based on your device's theme preferences. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode on LinkedIn. Your interface should now feature a darker color scheme that enhances visibility and reduces strain during nighttime browsing. Remember, if you ever want to switch back to light mode or adjust your settings again, simply follow these steps in reverse. Enjoy your newly themed LinkedIn experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy networking.